They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, catch me riding dirty, try to catch me riding dirty, try to catch me riding dirty, try to catch me riding.
Wait, what? The dog! No way!
Hey, buddy.
Oh my gosh, I thought we were dead! He's wagging his tail.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Did you eat all your lunch at school?
No, actually, because my girlfriend was standing right across from me, and you put a note that says, "I love you, babe."
Poor kid.
But what did she tell you?
She does want to be my girlfriend, and she did it. And then she loved me back, and that's it. Are you being my Valentine?
What do you say?
You're welcome.
You want to dance with her? Oh, you're so nice. Give her hugs.
Lucas? Lucas? What are you doing?
Are you being my Valentine?
What do you say?
Sweet kid.
This is Eliza's boyfriend. She didn't tell me she had a boyfriend.
Okay, when he gave you the ring, what did he do?
He bent down. He put his foot under the ground and he bent down and he did this and he gave me the ring. And he means my boyfriend.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
You are.
He's my Valentine. Of course, Lucas. He walked up to me and told me he want to be my boyfriend. And then I said yes. So if I don't, he gonna fight me and be mad.
What are you doing?
We can't marry anybody.
Why? What happened?
You married him. I can't marry him.
What'd you say?
I said I want to marry you whenever I turn into a grown-up.
Oh, that's sweet, babe.
It's mine.
No, he was.
Oh, that's my baby.
My baby.
No, that's my baby.
No, my baby.
I'm gonna cuddle daddy.
No, that's my daddy.
You gotta get down and leave daddy alone, okay?
No, Mama.
Yes, baby, you do.
No, Daddy. No, Daddy, Papa, born.
Hi. Hi, pretty baby. How are you?
What happened?
He had me, so he sent him out.
You put Dalton in your room for timeout?
Mm-hmm. So he buy us.
Okay, so let's open the door.
No.
Yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Thank you.
Be nice. Yes, ma'am. Good job.
Poor kid.
Put your back into it. No.
Where are you going? You're leaving? Give me a kiss. Kiss.
Cute kid.
Daddy's that way. You see him? Get him. Oh my God.
Girl,
Me.
I miss mommy.
No, you don't. Your man's gone.
She's right.
When I turn to a grown up, I don't want to be a fat grown up. I want to be a skinny grown up.
Do you know any fat grown-ups?
Wait for it.
Huh?
It's all right, right.
Gentle. It's a little egg. The little egg, be gentle with the egg.
Whoops.
Happy birthday.
It's too early for this. Unfazed.